How you doing today? So what I'm offering is, this is a 1948 Mills high-top slot machine. I built this machine several years ago and sold it to one of my good customers. He came in and upgraded and traded it back into me, so I'm able to re-offer it to you. 1948 Mills high-top. This is a $50 machine. A $50 machine is really a pretty rare machine because out of, let's say, every 1,000 machines built, there were maybe $50 machines, 50 $50 machines. If you played this back in 1948, you would be playing it with a silver $50, and I'm guessing it's about 10 times the money now, so you would be playing a $5 machine, which was, even today, is a big bet, a $5 single bet, and back then, you had to be a high roller. When I got the machine in, I took it all apart, went completely through it. I actually had a golden nugget belly glass in my stock. I only had one, and this was a true casino machine when I received it. So there was a casino name in here, but I can't recall what it was, but I replaced it with the golden nugget belly glass, as well as I did it in golden nugget colors, which their colors for their slot machines was gold and blue, so I did it in the same colors. It's a beautiful color combination. The machine plays really, really nice. $50 once again. Love the big coin. Bada boom, bada bing. Big winner. I like when you play the big coin when the money drops, you know, it has a lot of noise. Okay, so what I'm going to show you now, and I'll play it a couple more times for you. As you see on the reels here, we got $50, $75, and $100. Now this machine pays out your 2 through 18 plays, all your fruits. Okay, but if you hit 300s, 350s, 375s, as well as there's a $20 jackpot on there, any of those, the machine drops a full stack of 20 coins, which is $10. So if you hit any of the stated jackpots on the reel bundle, it will drop you $10 in coin, and because it was a casino machine, then the attendant would come up and pay the balance. So that's how this machine works. It does not need to be plugged in to be played. It's a fully mechanical machine. The electricity is merely for the lights, which light up the belly glass. We'll shoot you some photos of the back of it in our stills, but just a real nice straight running $50 high top. It's a true original casino machine. Plays fabulous. There we go, boom. Pays good, right off the club floors. Love it because it's got the big jacks in it. Once again, if you hit any of the corresponding 20, 50, 75, or 100, it will drop $10 in coin. Super nice machine, refinished. Once again in the golden nugget colors. Just a super nice original back door. Just super clean machine. So if you want a big coin machine, this one could be for you. And we like it, you'll like it, your friends will like it, and it is a money gobbler. That's what this is. Whoop. Here we go. Super nice machine. Big coin.
This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.